Every month, thousands of chicken keepers face the same big problem. The price of chicken feed is going up, and those heavy bags are getting more expensive. Most people think they have to buy feed from a store to keep their birds healthy. Today on Stellar Eureka, we're uncovering 7 powerhouse plants that will completely replace commercial feed. These plants have fed ancient empires and helped survivors during hard times. Let us grow smarter and free ourselves from the feed store forever. Number 1. Duckweed. If you're looking for the fastest way to grow protein for your chickens, look no further than the surface of a pond. Duckweed is a tiny floating plant that acts like a green carpet on the water. It's one of the fastest growing plants on the whole planet. Under the perfect conditions, duckweed can double its size in just 24 to 36 hours. This means you can scoop out a bucket of feed today, and by the day after tomorrow, it has already grown back. It's so powerful that a small pond can produce more protein than a whole field of soybeans. Historically, duckweed was integrated into the medicinal traditions of the Han Dynasty and the ancient Maya. They used it in rituals and medicine to help reduce high fevers, recognizing its cooling properties. For your chickens, duckweed is a protein miracle. Scientists have found that it's packed with up to 40% protein, which is exactly what chickens need to grow strong and lay plenty of eggs. But there's a secret benefit to this tiny plant. It is full of natural colors called pigments like xanthophyll and beta-carotene. When your chickens eat duckweed, those colors go straight into their eggs. This makes the yolks a beautiful deep orange that looks and tastes amazing. Duckweed also helps keep your farm clean. It is a master of water purification and can grow in water that has extra nutrients from animal waste. It turns that waste into high-quality food. It does not take up any space in your garden, and once you start a culture, you have a free feed machine that works as long as the weather is warm. You can even sun-dry the summer harvest to create a high-protein meal for your birds during the winter. It is the ultimate aquatic biofactory that requires no soil and almost no effort to maintain. This harvest creates a protein cycle that stays right on the surface. But looking beneath that water and through the soil leads to a different kind of strength that reaches for the very core of the planet. Number 2. Comfrey. Comfrey is a plant that works like a biological drill. Its roots can reach down over 10 feet deep into the ground. It punches through hard soil to find minerals that other plants can never reach. A long time ago, a man named Henry Doubleday brought this plant from Russia to England. He was a Quaker inventor who wanted to make a special glue for postage stamps. While the glue didn't work, he discovered that the plant grew so much food it could help feed a hungry world. He spent the last 30 years of his life researching how comfrey could prevent starvation. Later, a researcher named Lawrence Hills spent his life finding the best version for gardens. We now call this special type Bocking 14. This version is perfect because it is sterile and does not spread like a weed. For your chickens, comfrey is a secret source of vitamin B12. This is a very important nutrient that chickens usually only get by eating bugs. It helps them stay energetic and healthy. Comfrey leaves have as much protein as soybeans, but they also have much more calcium and phosphorus. These are the building blocks for strong bones and tough eggshells. It also has a special natural medicine in it called allantoin. This compound helps heal cuts and keeps the digestive system of your birds feeling good. You can plant comfrey just once, and it'll keep growing in the same spot for over 20 years. It is nearly impossible to kill and will provide your flock with a mineral-rich salad every single day of the growing season. Most livestock find the leaves a little prickly at first because of tiny hairs. To make it more tasty for your birds, simply let the leaves wilt for a day or chop them up small. This softens the hairs and makes the chickens devour them. This plant pulls its power from the darkness of the deep earth, yet it prepares the way for a towering miracle that once protected the greatest warriors of the East. Number 3. Moringa. Moringa is often called the miracle tree, and for a very good reason. Long ago in ancient India, the Mauryan warriors were the strongest soldiers around. Before they went into battle, they drank a special juice made from moringa leaves. They believed it gave them extra energy, increased their stamina, and made them feel less pain during the fight. These brave soldiers even used it to help defeat the army of Alexander the Great. Even the kings of Egypt loved this tree so much that they put jars of moringa oil in their tombs so they would have it in the afterlife. Vedic cultures recognized these benefits 3,000 years ago and used it as a traditional medicine for hundreds of different diseases. For your chickens, moringa is like a super vitamin that grows on a tree. Dried moringa leaves have 25 times more iron than spinach and 17 times more calcium than milk. This tree grows incredibly fast and loves the sun. It can reach over 30 feet tall in just a few years. You can pick the leaves over and over and they just keep growing back. Scientists have found that chickens eating moringa grow faster and stay healthier without needing as much medicine. It even helps their immune systems fight off germs. If you live in a warm place, this is the most important tree you can plant for your flock. It provides a permanent source of high-quality protein and amino acids that are critical for egg production. Even the seeds and pods are full of healthy oils. Just plant it once and you'll have a living pharmacy right in your chicken run. It is particularly valuable for helping birds recover their strength after the stress of molting or hot weather. This tree reaches for the clouds to provide health from above. But in the ancient Americas, another sacred life force was nearly destroyed by those who feared its power. Number 4. Amaranth. Amaranth is a plant with a truly dramatic past. Thousands of years ago, it was the most important food for the Aztec people. It supplied up to 80% of their energy. They loved it so much that they used the seeds to build statues of their gods during big celebrations. When the Spanish explorers arrived, they were so scared of these rituals that they actually made it illegal to grow amaranth. They burned the fields and punished anyone caught with the grain by cutting off their hands. But amaranth was too tough to die. It kept growing as a wild weed in secret places until scientists rediscovered how amazing it was. Today, it's even being studied by NASA for farming in outer space because it is so resilient. For your chickens, amaranth is a super grain that's much better than corn or wheat. It has nearly 3 times as much lysine as corn. Lysine is an important ingredient that helps chickens grow big and lay plenty of eggs. In fact, the protein in amaranth is so high quality that it is almost as good as the protein found in milk. It also has a special oil called squalene that helps your birds stay strong and healthy. You can feed the seeds to your chickens, but they'll also love eating the green leaves, which are 25% protein. Amaranth is incredibly tough and can grow in hot, dry weather where other crops would wither away. It is a master at turning sunlight and very little water into food. Once you plant it, it often drops its own seeds so that new plants sprout up every year for free. It is a never-fading crop that ensures your birds never go hungry, even during a drought. The sacred grain follows the ancient paths of survival, much like a golden flower that turns its face to track the energy of the burning sun. Number 5. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are a truly amazing globe-trotter plant. They started in North America, where Native Americans used them for food and medicine as early as 3000 BC. But they became a world-famous oil crop in Russia. In the 1700s, the Russian church told people they couldn't eat many fats or oils during Lent. But they forgot to list sunflower oil on the banned list. Because of this, everyone in Russia started growing them. Soon, there were millions of acres of golden flowers. A famous scientist named Vasily Pustovoit spent his life making sunflowers grow bigger and produce more oil than ever before. When Russian families moved to America in the late 1800s, they brought these mammoth seeds with them specifically to feed their chickens and livestock. For your flock, the sunflower seeds are like a high-energy battery. They are packed with healthy fats and vitamin E that chickens need to stay warm when it's freezing outside. The oil in the seeds also acts like a natural conditioner. It makes your chicken's feathers look incredibly shiny, smooth, and healthy. If you grow mammoth Russian varieties, just one flower head can have hundreds of seeds for your birds to peck at. This keeps the birds busy and entertained so they don't get bored in their run. You can dry the heads and save them for the middle of winter when there's no grass to eat. Sunflowers are tough and can grow in poor soil as long as they have full sun. They turn the energy of the sun into the perfect high-fat meal for your birds. They also attract pollinators to your garden, making them a beautiful and functional part of your farm. By letting them self-seed, you can have a permanent forest of golden energy that returns every spring. These towering giants offer a shield from the sky, while a low-growing family of guardians spreads a thick blanket of protection across the garden. Number 6. Pumpkins and squash. Pumpkins are more than just a fall decoration. They are one of the oldest cultivated foods in the world. Over 9,000 years ago, people in the Americas were already growing them. Native American tribes grew pumpkins in a special way called the Three Sisters. They planted corn, beans, and squash together in the same spot. The corn acted as a pole for the beans, and the large pumpkin leaves were like a big umbrella. They kept the ground cool, stopped weeds from growing, and trapped moisture in the soil. Some tribes even believed pumpkins were a gift from a goddess who came down from the heavens to make sure people never went hungry. Every part of the plant was used, from the flesh to the blossoms and the seeds. For your chickens, pumpkins are a powerful internal shield that helps keep them healthy. Inside every pumpkin are seeds that contain a secret ingredient called cucurbitacin. This special chemical can actually paralyze and help expel worms that try to live in your chicken's belly. While it's not a complete replacement for medicine if a bird is very sick, feeding your chickens fresh pumpkin seeds is a great natural way to help them stay free of parasites. The orange flesh is also packed with vitamin A and C, which give your chickens bright feathers and help them resist getting sick. You can harvest pumpkins in the fall and keep them in a cool spot for months. Whenever your birds need a treat in the winter, just crack one open and watch them devour the seeds and the meat. It is a zero-waste plant that turns your garden into a natural health center. Growing them also improves your soil because the vines add organic matter back into the earth. The garden floor provides a harvest that lasts for months. But to find our final miracle, we must follow the wake of ancient explorers who crossed the vast ocean. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have an amazing history that involves brave explorers and giant stone statues. Long before ships from Europe arrived in the Pacific Ocean, Polynesia voyagers sailed thousands of miles in small boats. They traveled all the way to South America and brought back a special plant they called cumara. This plant was so tough that it helped people survive on islands where other crops failed. On Easter Island, sweet potatoes provided so much food that the people there had time to build those famous giant stone heads. In Hawaii, the plant was known as uala and was prized because it could grow in places where other crops would not survive. It is a true survival food that has protected human civilizations for thousands of years. For your chickens, sweet potatoes are a perfect replacement for corn. They are packed with healthy starch that gives your birds the energy they need to stay active. One of the best things about sweet potatoes is their bright color. Orange sweet potatoes are full of beta-carotene, which your chickens turn into vitamin A. This keeps their eyes sharp and their immune systems strong. You do not just have to feed them the potatoes. Your chickens will also love eating the green leaves and vines, which are actually very high in protein. In the garden, sweet potatoes act like a living blanket that keeps weeds away while they grow big tubers underground. They can grow in poor soil and don't mind heat or dry weather. If you plant them in the spring using small cuttings called slips, you can harvest hundreds of pounds of feed. They store perfectly all through the winter months. This creates a reliable source of fresh vitamins and carbohydrates when the ground is frozen and nothing else is growing. The journey toward a self-sustaining flock starts with a single seed. By planting these 7 powerhouse plants, you're taking back control of your farm and your budget. You're giving your chickens a natural, healthy life that store-bought bags can never match. Which of these 7 miracle plants will you grow first? Tell us in the comments. This is Stellar Eureka, signing off.